Imagine your company just signed a deal to build a bridge, a project that will take 3 whole years. When do you actually book the profit? Meet ABC Builders, the contractor, and meet the state government, the contractee or customer. On 1st January, ABC Builders signs a contract, fixed price, 100 crore, to be completed in 3 years. If we wait till year 3 to record any revenue, years 1 and 2 will show only losses, while year 3 suddenly shows a huge profit. AS7 spreads it fairly. A construction contract isn't just about buildings. It covers bridges, dams, office complexes, ships, basically any long-term project built to a customer's specification. Company builds a machine for its own use. With no outside customer, AS7 doesn't apply. That's AS10 instead.
Now, construction contracts come in 2 types. In a fixed-price contract, the price is locked, the contractor bears the risk costs rise, so the customer bears the risk.
Let's say a contractor's expected cost for a project is 16 crore, with an agreed profit margin of 25% of cost. That gives a contract value of 20 crore.
So today we learned what a construction contract is, what it isn't, and the 2 types when ABC Builders is building the same site. Is that one the next video?